Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to add another wallet on Trust Wallet application. Managing multiple wallets in Trust Wallet can help you separate your crypto assets. So in this guide, you'll learn how to create a new wallet or import an existing wallet into Trust Wallet. So in this guide, you'll learn how you can import an existing wallet into Trust Wallet or add multiple wallet on Trust Wallet application. First of all, open your Trust Wallet app on your device, and then from the main home page after logging in, go to the My Wallets drop-down or the drop-down at the top of the screen where you have your current wallet. And from this multi-coin wallets page here, go ahead and click on Add Wallet at the bottom. Now here you can go ahead and select whether you'd like to create a new wallet and add it on your account, or if you have an existing wallet, you can tap on Add Existing Wallet option. Now under Add Existing Wallet, select how you'd like to add your wallet. You can restore from seed phrases, private key, iCloud backup, and so on. I'm just going to select secret phrases here. Check on all of these boxes over here on the pop-up and click continue. And then select a network you want to add, name your wallet if you want, and then type in the secret phrases of the wallet you want to add. After typing down your seed phrases in the correct order, click on Restore Wallet, and you will be able to add a new wallet on your Trust Wallet account. Now you can switch between wallets. Go to the drop down at the very top and you will be able to see two different wallets which you can switch to. So that's how you can easily add a new wallet or another wallet on Trust Wallet, whether you are creating a new one or importing an existing one. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.